Ever feel overwhelmed by life's chaos? Let's talk about Lean, a method to simplify your life. Originating from manufacturing, Lean focuses on efficiency and waste reduction. Lean is all about eliminating waste, maximizing value, and continuous improvement. By applying these principles, you can streamline your daily routines. Now let's identify waste in our lives. Common forms include wasted time, money, energy, and even opportunities. For example, think about how often you scroll mindlessly on your phone. To tackle this, ask yourself, is this activity adding value? Mapping out your daily routines can reveal a hidden waste. Use a simple chart to visualize where your time goes. Next, let's minimize waste, starting with time. Avoid procrastination, minimize multitasking, and limit distractions. Set clear processes for your tasks to boost efficiency. Financial waste is another big area. Cut down on impulse buying and unnecessary subscriptions. Create a budget and stick to it to avoid overspending. Now let's focus on maximizing value. Value means activities that enhance your happiness and fulfillment. Prioritize what truly matters to you and allocate time accordingly. Techniques like time blocking and goal setting can help. These methods ensure you're dedicating time to what you value most. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. Lastly, embrace continuous improvement. Regularly evaluate your progress and reflect on what works. Small, incremental changes can lead to significant results over time. To wrap it up, Lean can transform your personal life. Identify waste, minimize it, maximize value, and keep improving. Start your Lean journey today for a more fulfilling life. Visit emsstrategies.com to learn more about Lean.